Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Today's reading is about that this reading is for only married couples, and the question is what do your life partner, your wife or husband want to tell you, but they can't tell you due to some reason or some case. They can't tell you that thing. Okay, but what is that they want to tell you and they can't? Okay, there are three piles. You have to choose from there between these three, and I am going towards the pile number one. Okay, for those who choose the pile number one with this ring, your first card is this is a seven of swords, and it means that they want to steal something from you, they want to deceive you, they want to betray you. Okay, they have there's something going on in their mind and they want to do it now. Because why they are doing this? Because they want some type of clarity from you or from their own self, and that is they are not happy with you. They are very wise person, but they are not happy with you. They want to break with you, they want the breakup with you. Okay, and that's why this thing is leading to the cheating, betraying. Okay, something like that. Okay, because they have get some clarity, some truth over here about you or about your relationship with them, and then they are very angry at this moment. They are very isolated. They don't maybe they are not talking to you. They are angry with you, and they are at this moment they are very sad, and they don't want to have any relationship with you. And they are very stubborn person. They are not going to change their mind. They are seeing the perspective at the wrong position and the other position, and they just want to leave you at this moment. They are not happy with you. They are very stubborn over here, very determined. Okay, and with this card of six of cups, maybe something had happened in the past, in your past or in their past. So they are not happy with it. They are stubborn about it. Maybe they like someone else, or in their past their father, mother, they are telling them to leave you, anything, but they are very stubborn to do it. They are going towards their past. They are returning in their past, and they are leaving you. They are leaving you and going towards their past. Okay, now the third card is Queen of Pentacles, but they also think that they have some responsibility towards you. They care about you, they think about you, they like you, they love you, they want to live with you, they want to hold you. Okay, maybe they are your or maybe they are thinking about their mother, how they love them or something like that, but they are still caring about someone over here. Okay, and this is they are hiding these things, that careness, that love for you, they are hiding it. They maybe they are attracted towards someone else. They think there is their responsibilities towards someone else, and they want to fulfill their they want their wishes to come true, and they are defending their self, their love, their happiness with that. Okay, in this case they are defending their own happiness, their own love, what they want. Okay, and they are going to backstab you. This is all happening at your back. You don't know about it, but this is all going in their mind, and they want that other person. Maybe they both are meeting each other. They are having some relationship, some kind of relationship with each other. That's why they are doing this, and due to this betraying, this cheating, you are going to have a lot of stress in your life with this 10 of wands, and but you will heal soon. You will be coming out of this situation soon. Okay, pay attention to the red flags. There is someone is cheating you, someone is telling you lie over here. This is the situation, this is a dangerous situation, you have to be aware of about it. And yes, they are going to leave you with this Kali card. This is death card in this deck, in this oracle deck. I am Kali. From death comes rebirth. When something ends, something new begins. Okay, don't worry if they leave you. You will start something new. Okay, gadgets, they are using their gadgets, they are using their parents, they are using their wisdom to do it. And true, this is true, their love is true for that other person, but they and they are truly moving away from you in this situation. That is the reading for you, my pile number one. If you want to know more about this situation or some other situation, then you have to keep watch my videos. Please like, share, subscribe, and with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. I'm going to use the pile number 2. For those who choose the pile number 2 with this green and white beaded bracelets, your first card is Three of Cups. They are not happy with you. They are not very happy with this marriage. They don't want it, and it is forced. They are forced to do it. They are forced to marry you, or maybe because of some problem they decide to marry you, but they are not happy with you. They are not in love with you. They also don't think that they have no responsibility towards you. They are not caring about you. They are not loving for you. They don't love you. They don't care about you. They are not doing anything to you, not serving you anymore. And because they think that they are not anymore they are not stuck anymore, and they are free from you, or they have to be free from you. They are not your slave or something like that. And also they have no desire, no love, no dream about you, no desire to live with you, but they are not also able to leave you. That's why they are at this moment, they are with you. And with this other card, Four of Swords. Okay, with this they are not planning, they are crying about it. They don't want to live with you, they want something else, and they are with you. They have no love for you. Maybe they are Scorpio person, or Aries, or Taurus, or Leo. Okay, but the situation is that they are not in love with you. They don't like you, they hate you. Instead they hate you, they hate you a lot. And that's why they are crying over here. They are very sad, they are very mourning at this moment. That's why they have you in their life. Maybe they are not telling you this thing, but they are not happy with you. Okay, they want to be in their own self. They want to be true person. They want to be a brave person. They want to tell you about this, and they want to be happy in their life. Yes, they want to be courageous, and they want to tell you. They are not going to tell you this. They are going to tell you that they are leaving you. They are not happy with you. Go and make something for you, your own good. Do what you want, but leave them. Okay. And yes, this this Emperor card is clarified by King of Wand. And King of Wand is very powerful person, very authoritative, loving person, caring person. And once they want to do something, they are going to do it. Nobody can stop them. Nobody can change their mind. Okay, they are very determined person, and now they had made their mind with these two powerful cards. They had powerfully, energetically, they had made their mind to leave you, and they are waiting for, with this card, they are waiting for the good time. They are waiting for the time that they should tell you that they are not in love with you, they are divorcing you, or they are leaving you. Okay, because they are waiting because they are restricted by someone, because of their parents, your parents, or someone wise person or someone authoritative person. They are restricted from them. They had stopped them to do it, to leave you, and that's why they are not able to move at this moment. But they have will to do it. They are childlike person. Their mind is so childish, and they want to do it. They are not thinking about anyone else. They are only thinking about them, on their own self. They are fighting with their own self, and with maybe they are also fighting with you to make your mind to leave them. If they can't leave you, you leave them, you will leave them. Okay, they are fighting with you. They are burdening you with harsh words, with girls. Okay, what waiting for? And this is upside down. You don't have to wait for them. You can do what you want to do. You love them, that's why you miss them. You will miss them. Or maybe you are missing the good time with this person, or when you are not with this person, you are having the good time. You are missing that time. Coyote, this person is very very wise, very, this person is cheater. This person some kind of gambler or cheater, and this is a very wise person. For some of you, you are going to have your you are going to have help from someone, and you will find your way to get out of this situation. But this person is a very 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 witty, very clever, very harmful person, and they are making the plan to leave you over here. Okay, 133 and 36. Okay, they are making the plan at this moment to leave you. Chameleon, this person is what can I say? This person is like a shapeshifter. They are not standing at any point. They are changing every now and then, and they want to leave you. They are not telling you the truth anymore. They want to leave you. Okay, with this scarab beetle. Yes, this person is like a scarab beetle. They are the blood sucker. They are sucking your energy. They are making you weak by bad harsh words, by quarreling with you, and by anything. They are making you weak, to that you leave them, that they will be succeeding their aim to leave you and go towards someone else. Okay, this is their aim. This is their what they want to do with you. Okay, and they are hiding this, or they are not able to tell you at this moment, because someone is stopping them. Okay, at this moment. And this is all for you for my pile number 2 for today. Please like, share, subscribe my video, and if you want to know more about this situation, then you can keep watching my videos, my previous video, or if you want to see my new video, and you will surely get some help from there. With lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. I'm going towards the reading number 3. For those who choose the pile number 3 with this blue color map of India, your first card is Hierophant, and this is upside down. It means that there are no restrictions for you, for them, and this moment they are free person. Maybe they are telling you that they are now free. They have no restrictions. They are no blockage over here. Page of Wands, because they are no longer in love with you or with someone else. They are not attracted towards you, and that's why they have no responsibility towards you, or they are not attached to you at this moment. And with this wishes come true card, this star card is upside down. Your wishes are not coming true, or their wishes are not coming true at this moment, because they are at this moment they are not loving you, but they love you or someone else a lot. That their cup is filled by their love, their heart is filled by the love, and they both love each other. and they think they have made some promise towards them, or they have the responsibility towards you or them. Okay, maybe this is for you. They are free to move. Maybe you both have some call between you two, and at this moment they maybe you are with someone else, you are not with them, you are not talking to them, or you're not living with them, and they feel that they are not, now they are not attracted to you, and they are now much mature from that moment, and but their wishes are not coming true. But why they want to leave you? Because maybe you are fighting with them a lot, and they are not able to leave you because they still have love for you, they still have feelings for you in this situation, and they think that they are not able to leave you because they love you. And with this card, they are at this moment, they are very 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 angry, very much angry. They are very angry, but they are still attracted towards you. They are maybe they are attracted towards your looks, your body or something, and they but they are at this moment, they are very angry, and they don't want to talk to you, or they don't want to welcome you in their home, or in your home. They don't want to come to your home, and but they, or maybe they are leaving someone else that they don't like, and they, because they have love for you. But I think that they are fighting with you at this moment, and if this is happening, okay, and they are but they still have love for you, and that's why they are not going to leave you. They are attracted towards you. This is also the attraction card. These two cards are attraction cards, sexual attraction or something, but they like you at this moment, okay. And with this Fool card, they want to move on, they want to move maybe towards you, towards someone. Yes, they want to move towards you, they want to come to you, and they want to leave this this fighting over here. They want to, and they are hiding something over here, and you are going to know this over here. I think this is their love for you. They love you a lot, but they are a little bit aggressive person, and that's why they are fighting with you. But at the same time, they have love for you in their heart, and they are afraid of they have fear of that if you leave them or have divorce with them, something like this. But they love you still, they still love you, okay. And let your friends help you. Ask for and accept support from others. Yes, definitely, if you need some help from others, then take the help from others, and those who tell them that you want to come towards them, you want to live with them, and you want to end this girl, because they are so angry, so aggressive, maybe some little bit egoistic person. That's why they are not apologizing towards you, something like that, okay. And with this free yourself. It's time to take back control of your life, okay. First, free yourself with the bad thinkings, bad thoughts, a desire to take a revenge from someone, okay. Leave that thoughts. Then you will surely have a honeymoon with that person, enjoy the bliss of holiday time together, and you will surely enjoy the time with that person. Be a brave person. Fairy of the highlighted lands, it's time to be brave, and you have to be brave person to do it, to tell them that I am sorry, I love you, I don't want to live without you. That person surely welcome you in their home, or welcome you in their in life, okay. Butterfly, you have got butterfly. maybe you are the person or they are the person that they have a lot of girlfriends or boyfriends. That's why you both are fighting over here, because there is this page upside down. I think that in their mind they have a lot of girlfriends or boyfriends, or maybe you have, this is also be the vice versa, but not, I think this is not vice versa, but maybe you have or they have the girlfriends or boyfriends. That's why you are, this is what you are fighting about. And this person likes like money a lot. Maybe they are making money, and you don't like them to just make money, don't give you the time, and or you are not happy for them to cheat other for making money. This is also be the situation over here. Okay, this is all I have got for you, my pile number 3. If you want more to know more about this situation or some other situation, then go then you have please keep watching my videos, and you will surely get some help from there. And you can also see my previous videos. And okay, and please like, share, subscribe my videos, and with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. We will meet each other again.